Into the night, I see nothing but stars falling. Into the night, I see nothing but stars. Into the night, I see nothing but stars falling. Into the night, I see nothing but stars. Play me up like a song, you shut me down. I want to let you go, but I give in, I stay around. I got to let you know I've got to go, I'm done with you. Feeling numb, I'm feeling blind, I'm feeling used, but I keep running, running, running back to you.
I'm dying. I really can't keep my eyes open.
Playing me like a fool. I can't stop running, running, running back to you. You just keep playing me, playing me, playing me like a fool. Into the night, I see nothing but stars falling. Into the night, I see nothing but stars. Into the night, I see nothing but stars falling. Into the night, I see nothing but stars.
Hi guys, so I totally forgot to mention that this curry does taste better with age, so it usually tastes better the next day instead of right after you make it, just because it gets a little bit spicier since the spices kick in, and also it gets a little bit thicker in consistency, and it's usually good to last for about a week and a half. You can probably freeze it if you make too much. Also, do not make this before you go out. As you saw, I was a total mess after cutting the onions, so maybe make it and then do your makeup because I had to take my makeup off. So anyways, that's it. Back to the video.
Around you, I come back. You love that, I know you do. Feeling numb, feeling blind, I'm feeling used, but I keep running, running, running back to you.